Welcome to this MASSO Tech Tip. In this video, we're taking a look at the MASSO Lua Editor, available through myWorkshop. Before we get started, you'll need an active myWorkshop Pro subscription. Once those are in place, you'll have access to MASSO's Lua Editor, giving you powerful tools to customize behavior, automate actions, and extend what your machine can do. In this tech tip, we'll walk through how to access the Lua Editor in myWorkshop, how to create a new Lua project, how trigger events and background code work, how to edit and save your scripts, and finally, how to export your project and load it onto your MASSO controller. Let's get started. Begin by signing into your myWorkshop account. Once you're logged in, select My MASSO, and then click on MASSO Lua Editor. From here, you can either open an existing project or create a brand new one. To create a new project, start by giving it a name. This makes it easy to identify later, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Next, select your controller serial range. You can enter a specific serial number or define a broader range if the script will be used across multiple controllers. The password field can be left blank for now. It can be edited later if needed. Once everything is set, select Create Project. After the project opens, remember you can save your work at any time using the Save button in the top right corner. Inside the editor, you'll see a list of trigger events. These events define when your Lua code runs, such as on power-up, background, on-screen action buttons, or when a job is finished. If you're writing Lua code that needs to run continuously in the background, that code should be placed in the background section. If you're setting values that only need to be configured once, like naming on-screen buttons or initial parameters, those should be placed in the power-up event. As you start typing, the Lua Editor provides smart suggestions. These suggestions help you discover available functions and understand how different elements interact with each other. For example, if you want to set the name of an action button when the controller powers up, you can use the m.actionButton text function, followed by the button number and the text you want displayed. After making changes, remember to save your project. Just like on the MASSO controller itself, the Lua Editor is split into two code sections. The upper section is publicly viewable. The lower section is lockable and private, and it's indicated by a red dot. This allows you to protect sensitive logic while still sharing visible or editable code where appropriate. Once your project is complete, it's time to export it. You can export individual events, or export all events at once into a custom scripts file. That file can then be copied onto a USB stick and imported directly into your MASSO controller. Once imported, your Lua logic is active and ready to run on the machine. That's a quick overview of using the MASSO Lua Editor through myWorkshop. This tool gives you greater flexibility and control, allowing you to tailor your controller to your workflow and automation needs. For more tech tips, Lua examples, and MASSO updates, be sure to check out our documentation and follow along with future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy making.